morning, my name is Karen. Today I'll be talking about sharing the planet. Our central idea is people depend on adapt modify the environment to obtain natural resources. Let's talk about natural resources. What are natural resources? Natural resources are renewable resources. Renewable resources are natural resources that can be used repeatedly. Example, water. Water can be used repeatedly. There's so many things that can be used repeatedly. Trees, vegetables, fish, sunlight, cow. They all produce soil, wind, water. Renewable resources reproduce. 3. What are non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources are resources that can be used up with time. Example, charcoal. Charcoal, we must use them wisely. And what I meant to say they can be used up with time is that they can finish. We can't use it again if they finish, and we must use them wisely. Like example, coal, oil, gas, and natural gas. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.